Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures on your earbuds Master Dynamic MW07. So let's get started with the volume control, and we can make it only on the left earbud. Right here we have two buttons, and the right one is to increase the volume and the left one is to lower the volume. Next I will show it to you how it works. And at the right one we have only multifunctional button. So let's get started. I put it to my ear and I will tell you what I'm doing. So to lower the volume, use this left button and just press on it, and as you can see I lower the volume. To increase it, just use the right button. So this one is for to lower it and this one to increase it. So now I use this right button and I increase the volume, as you can see. Now, if you press one time on the multifunctional button on your right earbud, you will play or pause the song. So press one time and I pause the song, press one more and I play a song. To play next track, you should press two times on the multifunctional button. 1, 2, and here we go. To play previous track, you should press 3 times on your multifunctional button. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, I play previous track. Now, you can also call a voice assistant, and you should press and hold this multifunctional button, but make sure that the headphones is in your ears, because if it not in the ear, it just enter to pairing mode. So now let's try to call my assistant. I have iOS, so I call a Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant. So I'm press and hold. And as you can see, Siri is awake. And now I will show it to you if we make it without my ear. So press and hold. And now it should enter to pairing mode. Okay, I know. So let's make without it. And as you can see, we have this light, so it means that it's entered to pairing mode. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!